welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Bree. I post new videos every week, mainly beauty related. If that does interest you, hit that subscribe button below. For today's video, super excited as per usual. So we have received some beautiful, well, I don't know, I haven't seen them yet in person, but some beautiful flowers. So I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce their name. It's Jardin Infini. Not 100% sure. I'm gonna put their logo somewhere on the screen so you can see what it looks like and how it's spelled. Anyways, I don't have my knife, so I have some of these kind of like kid scissors, so we are gonna open up the flowers. I'm so excited to see what these look like. Alright, let's open it up. Let's see. Ooh. So the flowers come protected in this little like styrofoam, which is good. Let's take these out. They look so pretty. Oh my goodness. Wow. This packaging is stunning. So this is just what the packaging looks like. It has their logo on the front as well as the lid. It also has a cute little ribbon with their logo on it as well. Fun fact, I used to wear bows in my hair literally all the time. Not quite like this, but I used to love wearing bows as an accessory in my hair. So this is so cute. I will definitely keep this little ribbon. Okay, I am dying to open these up, so let's open up these bad boys. So when they said they were sending flowers, it was a total surprise, so I am just surprised the box is black, so that's nice. It's very universal. But I'm excited to see what the color of the flowers are. All right, let's open her. Stop! What? Oh my gosh. These are gorgeous. It's hot pink. My favorite. Wow, these are just stunning. I didn't know they were gonna send me like such big flowers. I thought it was gonna be like a little guy. So these are gorgeous. They smell so pretty. You can definitely tell that they're like actual roses. And they all look so gorgeous. These are just what the flowers look like up close. It's just a close-up of the box and flowers. So gorgeous. These are definitely going on my vanity. So I'm not exactly sure if you were supposed to take off the like clear little protector, but I did. And then these probably come out too. Yeah, these just come out nice and easily, so I guess that's just extra protection during shipment, which is awesome. So I just pulled up their website, and it looks like, yeah, everything's 50% off right now. So that's from Memorial Day, so I don't know if it'll still be up by the time, oh yeah, it looks like it's going for 3 days, so it'll probably still be live when you guys see this video, which that is awesome. It looks like they have a really cool red, white, and blue setup too, which is really freaking cool. I didn't know you can get all different colors in there, so that's really cool. But they have large square collections, medium square collections, small square collections in case you just want something, you know, just something little to brighten up your vanity. Oh, they also have them in rounds too. So not only square cases, but they also have them in rounds. They have a big giant heart box too. That is so pretty. Like if you want to get engaged or just something nice for your significant other. That is so cute. Oh, they even have acrylic cases too. Wow. So their little like motto is where passion and purity meets longevity. That's cute. I like that. So just to clarify, for anyone wondering, what are preserved roses? So these are roses that are going to last either a year or longer. It says they were picked at their perfect bloom and dipped into a non-toxic formula to preserve their natural beauty all year long. And it says all of their preserved flower arrangements are made with fragrance-free roses. So that's always good for anybody that has any allergies. It says how long do they last? Our preserved roses last a year or longer. Many customers have said that with proper care that they have been able to make their arrangements last well over a year, which is awesome. That's what I would like to do. Do they require any maintenance? Our reserved roses require no maintenance whatsoever. They may benefit from a light dusting occasionally. If you guys are interested in getting your own preserved roses, I will leave their link below. There's also a discount code to use right now too to get an additional discount on them. I don't earn anything from it. It's just for you. I just want to say thank you so much to their team for sending these over. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're interested in getting any of your own preserved roses. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.